Halo, apa yang mau bertamu kamata? Naka mo api aswa yo daw tunga. Tapu ba mo Hawaii kama hapatapul. Tapu ba mo kasi ka Wesleyana. Tawatain na auto olong-olongo kasi ka siawsi o famuala. Tapu ba mo tukon kuliah ba kumalong atonga. Orbeto kau mai kau faya kau no kotoke tapu ba mo kau ngau ifal mak bayola om na ngau fakata ba mo mula se parte mo henga kau kau fanta ifa ko ni tapu ba mo ofisa kolo olong los perfunaki pe o watu henda fakata makehe ihe o family fatos family tamai kama family fae o tau kau ngakau fatah ifaf ko ni pe ako kole ke pufanga e tala kakato o funua mo lotu ai ata mo ko fenga mari ko ni e fa kakato ata pokala mo e fiafini o tau tomo tu ma pe fa fetai mo fa malo ke o to ma mafi e tala maha o ni fa meta mo ui o malawa ki tau sia vai ai fiafa ko lo ko Pefa e whawhetai ke o tua, i he whakipoto, ko whai mai ki tahine goeni, wolase pal te mohenga, ai au kuhinga i he tau hengi e whawkoini. O ku watena e tata lele, ki he whawhufonga whalealea, tokta uhila mo ilang fasi, ka maahu no hoa, tokon pule e ako maalunga tonga, ka maa kotoa hono kau whai ako, i ho motuku taimi, Kalawa ke mula ke malawa ke mea mai ki tau ngakau whakataha i e whiafkoini. Pewhak a tata lelei i whaiwhekau sasu sinana tau atai na olongolongo whaiwhekau siaos o whamuala malolotu pa moe hufaki o malawa ke au sia ai tuunga whakaako na i whaikai e whinga. Pewhak a tata lelei ka tek motoro no koto ape o tau lo nuku mai i e whiafkoini. Ko mo mea mai, ke whai ai lot whawhetai, pia mohono whakamalo iai aki motoro no kotape, na motokoni mai, kia palu mulase te mohenga o malawa ai, ke nea usia, ai whenga ako, na ane whakahoko. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Ella Scott, the Second Secretary Advice Consul for the Department of Foreign Affairs and her team. Ms. Scott, this little gathering this evening is an appreciation graduation. Ms. Wolase Palu Te Mohenga wishes to convey her sincere thanks to you and your team for helping her achieve her MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Through your department, Ms. Te Mohenga was awarded a scholarship when she pursued further studies and achieve her academic goal in life. I would like to warmly welcome you and your team to this evening event and thank you for taking your time out of your busy schedule to join us tonight. Without further ado, I would like to call upon the young lady, which is the reason why we are here tonight. Ka kokole ke whawhenua kia tai ki tahine o ona ai poni. Dr. Palu Wolase Te Mohenga. kau si o whamoala, e kātaki o rea mai, o whahoka te tamo.
Tege kamata e taulotu. Tau whakitai e iti. Thank you, Palu, Olase Te Mohena. May God bless you and empower you in the power of the Holy Spirit. Be with you all the time. Owo Omi e nea koe ni, me wholofola o ea honi. Sione mai tolu vesta o no, he nai ofa behea e otua ki maman. Koe ana ne whaaki ono alo tof pētā ne whātupu. Ko hui koe ako toa pē tui pi take te ia, ke oua na auha. Kai mao, ai mo i tainata. Pero tala noa ngā weni, nai anuanu ai whanonga e kaunangan. Pe mo loto whare o e whamini, nai loto mo hufaki, e neo kau mā eti te mohenga. Pea behe, kia sosifa, hopo, koe kui ia, koe kaunangan. E lau whai e hufia ke tataki. Pea koe tala noa ngā ue ia hoko mai koe ofa e o tua koe māma. Pea koe māma koe ia o ne teke e pouri. Kai whakaulo mai māma ke kanuloto ai e ni whanonga. Ka tonu pē kalaloto e kuna ke whare au hong fulmani ma ko māma ngā koe sisue. Ka koe māma koe ia nā lehanga o whakaola e ngāhi tūnga. Ka teke whaingata a mo e pouri. Mo e mama o kungari e whaingata ai ai whanonga anga o e nea ko. Kai mahino e mama o ia ko sisu. E whakaola e ni whanonga. Pera i ngā tai. Ko e mama na e whotu ati. O hange koe talaloto. Ai punake e taha ko ofa ana ko e sisue. Ko ofa ia o wanu ai ngau anga whakalau maari. Ko ofa o toka loloto. Ko tonu ia o e punake ni magao tonu fulumari ma vesio no e sisu whakafotu o whao. O tati e madawai moui. Pero ngāo e kāwhakawha ia ko whakapulu aki. A palu. Bola se teo mohenga. Ke whailonga i ai ofa e o tua. Ko e ofa ia. Nai whai ke au. Ofa nai funaki maalunga. Ke whakakoloha aki. Ai ngahi tu unga ko toa pe. O wharangrani ai oi ahoni. Pea me tā kuaki ia, o tau te tākiti mai, i e lotu maa ni oine au tua. Whanawane pē, wharangrani, uhinga e mea mai, a toke tā uhila mo lani, pingi whasi, ke whakamohoni. Koe ako, o wirai oi ako e tangata. Koe ako, koe mea e o tua. Koe māma e o tua, koe ofa e o tua. Koe nāu koe ia, o pulu ngā whana api, i whakalami e ahoni. Kia moe whatongia, o mau whetapni mai, me kau se tua, tau sias wesi ana lolongo. Kau mai ofisa koro. Kia moe kāinga ko toa pē, tau whetapni mai he ahoni. E whakakato ati, ai tau lotu. Koe whakalami e ahoni. Tau hewa me he ki himi o ni. E whai mea e tau lotu. Whare au ho fulmanima. O himi. Ko mama ngā koe sisue. Ke la ula mani e sisue. Neago. E te pauria he langi au fia. Te mama bega tai ai. Sisue.
Koho ko mama ana ka.
Sisue. Sisue, e pāpula Maria Sisue, nirau e kāpo iau e tau heri lau te au, te uhao pe, kata iai Sisue.
Koho
Mama pina koe, Sisue, Sisue, e pāpo kulau Sisue. Hapoto pe te nofo ai. I heni pe he van. E ulaka pe katai ai. Sisue.
Koho ku ofa.
Whakatahi. Sisue. Sisue. He kohu takana piki maru pe. Ungani maalunga ngawe na teu kiai a palu te mohela e whaelo ngai e ne kōwhangatu e ne whainga e ne ako. Ka maheno be ho whaki e neo o mā e te mohena. Ka behe a ai whanonea. Ke whailonga i, ai mauinga o e whanau kuna woko e kautoke tā. Ke whakapurupuru a ki hongea ko ia koe talanoa fungani ma o lunga ho o wholofola ke nai ofa behe ai hotua. Ko ia nare whoaki mai o aroto whenaha. Ko ia tāpu aki ia o ku kanoloto ai ngā hitu onga o e mo ui. Te koe purupuru maa whana ia o taimi ke mau whanau ngā i he mo ui ia te koe sisu. Tau kei fungani ma o lunga, whanu i he ofa, whanu i he maama, pa whanu i he rerei. Ka wai anu e ngāu i kutua bina tō wangai a palu, ke whakailonga i, kono maama ngā koe, te ke ai pōri mo whainata a. Whanonga i he hala, koe hala papa ko koe sisu. Hala i ai tau kei, hala i ai mo ui. Hala ia e poto, he māma i tāniti. Te kai whekau ia e toa e mau whanunga, te mau ilo pau, ko mau ofa a ngā koe, o hane koe ofa ko te whai, o whuati mai a Sisu Kraisi. Ke anu ai a mamani, te kanoloto ai e mau moui, te teke ngāi whainata a, ka tuhu peke mau whanonga, he maru o ofa. Awhai tauralo hoa whio. Whakapurupuru ai ngāo ko tō pēo teo ki ai a honi. Ke whailonga i. Ai ngāhi kawe ina e kau whai whakau ulawa mai. Kau setu ata, wai kai na lotu o longolongo. O whisa kolong, me whatongia. Wa pehe, ki he whatongia, wai whakawhonga wharearea. O tonga tapua, te pehe o tua, ke ngāhi loto whare e whamini, koe ngāhi kaina ko toa pēu nau rawa mai ke whakalanduangi, kāwhei tauralo hoa whio, ha ere mai, whakalanduangi ai ngāwe ko toa pēhe mau ilo pau, ko mau ofa a ngā koe sisu, ko koe ho mau taki mua, e kai he ho mau whanonga. Te whakakoloa kia me te tāloto ngāwe ma whānaua kei au ni. Jesu, whakawhanu ofa, si palu, teu mohe ngā. Whakawhanu ofa mo kumau tolu, ke mau ilo koe whiopi mau whai, i he ofa lai mo whai mi loto i tāniki. Haere mai a lo mari, ta tāke ngāwe ko tō pē me whatongia, whakalangi e honi. Ke mua waka pēr tau lama, ke whakaola ai mau whanonga. A whei tau lalo tari ai mau lotu, ke huafa peho alo ko Sisu Kraisi, ka ko mau whakamohui. Na ke ako mai ka mau kalot, ka mau pehe. Ke mau tamai uhe wani, ke tāpo ao huafa, ke ako mai o pole, ke whaafi ta ngaro, ka mego e rangi, pehe whot mamani. Whāna mai anda mau mea kai ka nai, ke whakamore mau mai a hala, ka nebe mau whakamore nau tolu whote mua mai. Kona me tuku mau tolu ai ai, whaafu mau tolu mi nai, e hoa e pure, koe malo, koe gloria, o tai ngata, pia tai ngata, e meni.
Whangaro ki he tangata i whewhekau, i ono tataka ki tau tolo o waroto e whiafko ni. Whanatau ki he tau programa, te tau hoka lewa ki he ngai pōpua ki tala monu, pe me ngai whaamili me tu apule anga. We will now continue on to congratulation wishes from families overseas. They are not able to be here with us tonight, but their heart is with us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, congratulations Last CE. We are so happy and proud of your achievement. Wat we boven allemaal
CCE.
Hello everyone, congratulations to CCE. We're so happy and proud of your achievements. Wat we allemaal wat de honger alla bonus de todo y así alla gewoon voor ja ahora ya ojalá que todo ya no me falta cocina de Cuba la de París vamos a Mariachi y me mató la cara de
la CCE.
Congratulations, SSCE. Wishing you luck in the future.
The second cake is presented to Miss Ella Scott and her team. Can someone please come forward and mini de tau hokata ka kita hua ma me to koni ba ko te frafe pe ne ta dai fe kau ka ta fa mole ka ke me amai o ta po ki yang ya me to koni
Tungau Whakatai lahi atu ki hawhian Whungani maulunga o whamo tauhi Mahino beia o mea katoa pēna ke teu Ke whawhanga ki mautolo ati ngai tāpu atu o ofa Kai o tunga ki ngai tūnga katoa pē o tauhi E wai hanua nuia e whatongia ngā katoa pē Palu o ne koloa ia hono Matai tohi Pungani maalunga o ine ako. Ka kai te ngatai pa maukau ngā whiawhia e inasi e tāpua ki. O hi ngai au tewa e mea kapani koini ke iloa e o weiki. Whai se kau. Umae kau se kuata. Umae o sa kolo e whatongia. O te he whawhawhonga whalearea tōna tāpua. Umae e de kui. Uma ne o matua me family ko tope ai mai lo mari e tuha ta kwaki pa faidia nga ko tope fua e ne o ma teu e nga ko tope a eti ke nga hi fatongia e la ngia e o fa tu bege mau to inas mau wi o ka te famoni e mal ma fi e hua fa be o alo ko si su place ma famoni e me
Pito dang le fe kau Tahua ka tai mini ke tau hoa ma me to koni ka kwa te nai kore ka inga mo eki pe mua ka uraki survey ke pire fika uraki where The parfait is at the back, and we would like to serve the number of the seats. If table number 1 could go and get their food right now. DJ, na may ko if I first time hindi kita maafa na kinaw. Maafa.
recipient of King Paul VI Prize for 2015. From Tuaneki Vanele Matoa, Baba Ufele Mea Faleloa Fanganon Hapai, Longa Longa Tonga Tapu, born in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. Palu Mulaske Del Moema.
I swallowed my heart into the fire, got burned out, broken down by desire. I tried, but the smoke in my eyes left me blurry and blind. All the pieces of off the ground. All the things that is gone now. I got the blue in my hands, sink into the ground, sink into the ground as fast as I can. At all, I can do anything at all. This is my kiss,
to reminisce, but also to look forward to the best. Each and every one of us has by far fulfilled or yet to live up to an act of wisdom. Whether it be socializing, specialized talents, sports, or academia. It is therefore worthy of us all to praise God with Daniel, who stated in his book, chapter 2, verses 20 to 23, and I quote, "Praise be to the name of God forever and ever. Wisdom and power are his. He changes times and seasons. He sets up kings and deposes them. He gives wisdom to the wise and knowledge to the discerning. He reveals deep and hidden things. He knows what lies in darkness, and light dwells with him. I thank and praise you, O God of my fathers. You have given me wisdom and power. You have made known to me what we asked for. You have made known to us the dream of the king." End of quote. Your Royal Highness, Princess Salote Pilole Putrito, dignitaries and distinguished guests, may I humbly and respectfully thank you so much for being here with us.
See the girl with the diamonds in her shoes. She walks around like she's got nothing to lose. I see her, go get her. She's everybody's side. She's a queen of the city, but she's a believer. She's got her own elevation, only motivation to wrote some letters on big shows.
Embrace
call. She told me she love me and she don't wait. Fighting for your love and I'm running down on my patience. Need someone to fuck you took it back to the basics. You see what you got me out that door? Might have threw me off, but can't nobody stop the moment. Let's go, left foot, right foot, levitate. Pop star, do it and go with the band. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever set my part into a better situation, so catch up. Go with some cheese on the get out and get your bread up. They always leave me, some run together. Way of the world, my shoulders, I got my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you
for 2015 for Tonga High School is awarded to a deserving and worthy student. President of the ex-students and PTA, Tonga High School Dance for 2015, Paulo Bolase de Mohenga. A big round of applause to High School for our very first class for 2015, Paulo Bolase de Mohenga. Congratulations. As the Dachshund family takes a picture with Her Royal Highness, we are indeed most happy to rejoice together with the De Mohenga family for this outstanding achievement. Tonga High School.
I always say congratulations. Work so hard to vacation. They never had the dedication. People hate us, never change along you made it. You made it. There was no family, yeah. Now I'm doing another baby, yeah. Had a loss in the matter, yeah. But I know how to have it, yeah. So the way I'm savage, yeah. So you say that, yeah. I'm so rich on the baby, yeah. They didn't know the legend, yeah. Everyone wanted, I love it, you call on, yeah. I mean nothing when I shut my door, yeah. Everyone counting on me from the bar, yeah. Everything cussing like I'm in the bar, yeah. Sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was young, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard to vacation. They never had a dedication. People hate us, never change it, look, you made it. You made it. Patient. Shoes on, I bring the walk up and feel like rock and roll. Drink out, get control, rolling out like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Big girl call me on my phone, nice tea, and I got my big bomb. Let's play, please, baseball, I'm ready.
tau ko ma o ku ton ke tau ko ka ke lea ka ko ka fa ya ko ka ko la ve e to ku ki fo ma mo ma to ko ni ka ko le ke hua le wa ki fa me i te ya o e poni ko ki ta o lunga e fa ho pa tu pe ia e taha o e family ko fa fo nga e pe o e family e na fia ka mo no fa malo ya motor ina tokon ko tabe pa mo mo tu tai mi ka mo la mai fa fini. Our next item on our program tonight will be a traditional Tongan dance, solo dance, performed by one of Wulase's cousins. Hope you will enjoy it. DJ, ora pe mawe bage toku bage fast.
Go
programa, ko tau programa hoko ko e lea, ka me he taha o e kawhai ako, ai whafufonga i mai e Irifere Kitoro. May I now call upon Mr. Irifere Kitoro to his speech. He's representing one of the teachers who are here with us tonight. Balo Irifere.
Na ia e ki whakataha koristu tuku na e whai ka whinga paranga I muri. E a awa tuku koe Koriston High School. E a awa tuku lea ku, lea tangata eiti, na e ihe I kātoanga whinga paranga koe ni. E ki atu he kau ho eiki Koristu tuku tonga hai. Na ki tonga hai me, angi ki tangata I ki io. Nau iai. Fai talanoa ka ki talanoa tangata I ki. Toi pehe atu ka whai e gen mea. Naki tangi tanga ki, nang whai ako. Hoko atu e fie ilo. Koe ta uwhi. Ang whai atu e mea. Pea toki pehe atu ki tangata e kia. Whai ako a kapulu. Tonight, the slideshows that were presented. Because I kept asking myself when I was informed, not only to mention that I was invited, apart from that, but to represent one of the English teachers that was beyond my imagination, even to think about it. I'm humbled tonight. And also, it's not a repetition here, but also I'd like to really acknowledge the generosity that was offered by the Australian country. Truly, it's difficult indeed to visualize this auspicious occasion happening like this without your generosity. Thank you very much for the people of Australia and the country. Not only that, I'm also one of those that had the privilege of fortunate to be assisted by your country in the early 90s in the Simpson Barracks School in Australia. I attended it in communications for electronic warfare in the army. It was your country, first of many things. Not only the first foreign country for me to visit, it was also the first in many things, even first time to fall in love. Not in the context of why they love you, but fall in love with nature. The mountains, the forest, and its people. Alright, excuse myself, I have to switch back to my mother tongue for I think I'm already in trouble. Toimatoto. Watulowa. Ko aho wilo kuna bepia. Ai toi fe. O bia I pe ka bia. Ko tama tu e fai. Formal ka ka to ta la frata po so no fa. Ta go fi a pito. Ai mai me a hende ta dai fa te ka sa kolo. E vita, con matu e con iki. Tu bemua, tu matot, pare fa, kau tamata, tu pere mau kau he pue, e ko lau kau na, kau fa na tama. Kau, awe ki ane afi, toki whakamahino nge te ufonga lea ka whaiako. Te ke mahino ia parupe koe hasa lea. E ko kaunga fihia whakataha mo tangata eiki koe mea. Ko te display koe pa ke taki hake ai thuka koe anua. Te toki mahino ki ante au. Koe whai ako sipoti au. Because in 2015 I was NOAA Sports House Master. Pako inasi hei ko lau ko loko. Na ko wa ke wa tanya fi ko ki inbox ya tu pe ki a uhi mo ka wa to te ka Pea beatu. Koe whakarea pea kuia mo o mai haku rewa. E koe tamana neo ia ko tuku mai ke wala whafofo tau tōru. Pehe mai o matama na teksi mai whakataha pe. Kai ke toi ilo hataha sai ke komi atu ki ai ha tokon. Ko whiriwhiri rewa ungai rea kai teksi. Toko ke honga tama. Ko ngai korongo tu mau piti ngā. Poria honga tama. Ofu mai ngā. Pas mi yang fu ko be ko ki emphasize ati honga tama. Honga tama ko tama ni ho tau to fifine. Potokon di mai. Kai peto as o se ave ho pa te ko to hia. Pe mo whakalongolongo ahe na kauwalo hiki haaki tato. Taimi si. Ha! Wete. Koe te kau. Ka pau te ulau e o tex ai o tangata. Pe o se kātonga te masi. Ka kou to o mai. Ngai ku. Pe mo ngai lea na ngāwe aki ani. Whaka pō ka pau te he aki ha whangai. Nā mga kau angelo ihirangi. Tēnau hong ke dictionary ke kumi ui. Kaka puke mai ki o ho mai pe no kongo. O tawala koe ki o tapu. Mi auhi kau hato tana pehe tala pe o ma o fa pa pata ai mi aga na pehe. Ko le ai ni akun salo ti pa. Ko mo tu. Ako ke mo pa e faka poto. Ke mo wako ke lolo ki mo bilo ke poto. Pea tahare wa na ko puidea na to me fu o text ko na no. Na tara mai. Paka ho ko ani. Ya tu mato. Paka ho ke pa. Marie fe. Pafka. Teu to o ai pe ki con ai te fai kurea. Fa fo fo ma no to ka fa. Kurea ko mari. O ilo pe paro. Na o hinga pe ho approve ki urea. Na ki foka am ke foki ki ako. Ko bi e coincidence me wa fe ta ni ma. Na turi ai pe o e lo sana le fai ako. Out from the classroom. Ko tato fe taula o fa malo at o mai tani. Ko ilo pe ke fa am ke to go back to the classroom. Ya ko fili ne wa ki foi de ako mai. Mai fe ho no mai we lai au. Ko mai ko to mai le fai ba. Ko mai ya ta. Ya ko lai pe ko mai ta. Ko ta ko matang Maria matang kau tanya ke ko taimia I folau tak bakala na ma wa le matang Maria ko ina pe ka fa ina matang wo fa ta mo fa amu mo amanaki mo ko mo ko fa no ka pa ri wa kuang ni matang yo pe no ai le ko Maria ko Maria wi a pe mi no anga então vou ficar core na eu foque anga corrina viri mai ofu mai mali sono fai che ko anga ke ha atoki pa ya ke ko mali ya ta mali ko fe mai ban ko pa me fa ko ko ma uya pe mi to la mama ko wi ka pa fi hala ke tara no apa o ja bu no mama ke an ke to la mama ko ki nga we ito to la mama ko taka takai lo ka te au pe ni ba ko aso na ta wa ki ko lo wa ka pa to ma le ba ka lo wa ka pa ko pa ke takai pa ko no takai ko ke feu ko ke takai o ka ke takai no ai O pau ke te whakapapau ke lai o kau kono tua, o tapot ke lai, kono matau i o. Pea koe te li koe lai lo a kau hoto nima, o pau ke whaka, le eie poi, ulu koe lai lo a kau. Matu lai lo a kau nia, koe ulu e koe. Ie ulu, whola o lai nima, o pau ke hana whakatoko, ke ki me tayo. Ai u pe toki fai le baho taka ko taka i go lai lo wa kau o ka ke taka i no ia o pa ke hanga toka nga o taka i se unu ko ai lai lo wa kau ke foka papa ke ngai me ko tuku nga tamaki ko pa ke foka le toka toka mahari ai mai la ai mai konga o toka tama ma pelo manusinus pe te ke toka nga ko taka i lai ke takai, ke hanga whakatoka lele, toka nga, all the time. Peko nea, o koe ke hiku ke whakakausi. Te ke toi, ai hiku, lo a kau. O nono, ke ulu koe pela ke lo a kau. Ko pau ke nono o ke ai, no o whiunu ke ai. Peko osu e pahana leo he whiwhine. He toka taka i nara. O riaki a lai loa kau. Koe ne riaki koe a lai loa kau. O ko osi automatiki pe me mafolo fola ni wari. E venga. Nga ue koe ke loa kau i koe whakatete poa. Ma fola ni le. Paru. Ngari si pe. Hange i tu koe whakamau i nga. Kai ke futa kanga. Ai ma inga whau o ki nga. Ka ko ila pe paru. Mei ho o tu. Na e hana pe e o matua. Ka papau e fo takai. Na ke takai mai ho kau whaia o prai. Na e whaka papau e o toka nga all the time. Kai ha manominu. Kai ha manusinus. Whakatoka legi, refine. Takai. I poi, ko mai no koa, ho whi. O kua kore, par, poseng. Toi whakafoki pe, ono, ke ulu. Ka pau te ke whakafoki, koe, no. Ke ngahi ako na, ko toa pe. Me ngahi whanga me, ko toa pe. E kari loa, na whakahokoa, e o mātua. E hangi e lepa koe lau e a himi na tau himi aki. Neo, e kau iau e he lau teo. Pe e li koe ki whi ki mo. O ke yong po hange koe, osi koe mo takai, e takai o lai lo kau, mari. Foki, no o koe ki u mea koe. Pet e whakawhita i ama lewa koe o he, mari e ako, mari e whi. Pe i ene pe he, i toki yong mai lewa pe mi loto te tau. Whakawhita i mau. Tua whai.
Koe tau malau pito i no tanga tau tatari koe ki soka mangoko ki manat meri hu hala pendi I was a student leader and you were my Form 2 English teacher. Kung manat meri ka kine kaya ko ni ka kaya ko ne ko akile ya mo ne ko kaya ko ne hanga ya to aki e mau to ka mau be ki kalasi ba ko tu i na ka ke mei fe ba ka ke mi ni si ka I'm sorry it's very good to see you again, Lily, and you know, people are going to get people are going to get
me Unita, oite mau popo aki fia pa ke whafonga e tuke taka ake whae e Burasasi. We're just very excited and very happy. We're in this great celebration, celebrating your achievement, your dedication, your diligence, your commitment, your discipline to achieving your goal. And so, what a great success. And we're so very proud of you. We love you. And to represent the mother's family side, my daughter Katarina Benitani will be performing Sonatina by Clementi Ofato.
vai dia tem ya. Vai ni dia ki lea pe ako fefea ki whakafe i ai pafofonga whalarea tonga tapua Dr. Uhila Moelangi Pingi Fasi kene kata whamolmole kane mea mai o whakahopo atua ene lea.
Ko li kota puhini mo ita ndai ka shikau waro kata puki ya popo ya mo ulas ko kota make ki fe fine o ina e tau yen ki fani pa ulas ke mo e kata puki ki Miss Ella Scott pa fonga o officio ai commissioner steria Aku kau ni dia ufang aje, ai kalau kata ko siapa kan dia buat, kata kita kau kita ni aku ini kau mai mau. Nah, kalau kau yang film berkata ingin nak hangai neo mau itu mai pada dia kau ini pun jauh. Oh, phone ni falin je kau tu kita, falin mahagi, kau fai kau fai aku soal kau Kanala na o mai ka ko ko kai ke wilo poka no in kapal na ko hakre tuisin a eti na sai e ko ifo ko eti na ma ho ta lahi ka ko tui ko hinga ma no mai ene tai na ho ko ia ko nga o family ko ni o ho mo ulas ko plak fok ma ko he o se ko plak nga o no algo falla ko istoma dan tatau na hiki mai ya hopo me ko su ko o ma ho fo o fata ki ate pe ma to ka nga pe ya ki fa ya fo ya ki yi me fa ya me ki me pe ta na le ko fa ki me fe ha me ka ki fa na ho ko le ba pe to ho mo hu la se o pe to pe ko eti Tengo eu como na etnia high school. Poto habita hapo. Do está para lá fora. Na hora eu vou abrir aqui bicicleta ou eti. Quando eu bicicleta eu vou mais com que para bicicleta. Quando eu tô leva na o isso fare quando ela mais cau tá no morra na vaca. Eu leva com na wabi. Pena pe tal. Koto agoi na mai whata mea koristonga. Nā hopo au ia koe. Koe whoha o hopo, pe hako rewa e tia ko hopo whoha. O kotu mahalo ko pe hako tākia o ko mai au e whai whata mea koe ne pōni. Nā pehe ko ono mai ko ui ko whakaponga whanere au. Ka whu pahenga hala ia o ia. Ko pahenga au au ia o pahenga uruati ka tāmea koe. Ka kotu mahalo na o mau o katoanga kwa henga pa kwa rebe ki nga maje Now to be fair on our friends who do not understand our language, I'll just say a few words in the other language. I was saying I have been wondering why was I given this spot tonight by Neo and Eti. I'm not a medical doctor, and I'm not a Fafikao, and the teachers have been represented. So I was wondering why me? So the only reason that I can come up with is that there was once upon a time in my busy life, I became a member of the family. I first came as a first-time teacher after graduating from university to Tonga College. At the same time, Hopo transferred from Tupo College to Tonga College. So we were both new to the school, and we were neighbors. My little house was next door to their house. So as a new, young, energetic teacher, I was keen to do almost everything in the school, except cooking my own food. So their kitchen became my kitchen. And my house became Eti's smoking hideaway. He was still in Form 6 then at high school, but a very heavy smoker. So he used to come and hide in my house and smoke. In return, he would have to let me know when dinner was ready in the house so that I paid him a visit. So, it was the connection. For my Lord, apito et moneo I tau whanawiri o whai. Tau ko sipi na tau kātonga ia I homoto ke tae ua. Tau ngen to te whakatamai, ke to ke tae nita. Pero to ia me to ke tae tau te hau moi. O moi fuwhanga to ke tae kwewhe. Kau sai whakia ko tai mok tau puka eu tau hele pekea. Whare neo moi tia tau tau kia. Kau kauen I e whiawhi whiawhia. Ko tau kakata mahen ke tau kau ngā whakamooni. Ki he lava mea. Pea mo eako le re whakahoko e pālu ki la si te mo. O whiawhia mau peka ki tau tōru. Ta tau te whitu ka mau tōru kunu. Whakaunga tā maki e ngai whawhai ako. E tau sio ki he ola o e tau ngai whawhai ako. Whiawhia pita se makaya to kene kau whai ako. I tong high school na nau kau ngā au I ono ako I a pāru I me ke ako. O kau I mea whawhiwhia. Kia te au ka whai ako. Koe ne. Lama mea pēha hau. Kamsi o tai nea. Kau I mea whawhiwhia ako. Koe whakau hala o kai ngofua. Ilo katoa. Koe ia pēna e aka university o osi. E tēne ilo pēha kau hala e kai ngofua. It's not a walk in the park. I would say it's a walk in a garden of roses. Why? Because roses, you know, there's flowers, beautiful, sweet-smelling flowers. Underneath are very sharp thorns. They prick and scratch you all the time to wake you up. To remind you that despite the beauty that you see, there is always a scratchy thing to remind you of your mission. Kau mission na ia, ko wai pa le ha. Neo ni tala ia, tala o tau fia na ni apa ina kata ki. Dohi ka au ki olunga ki he. Matala lo se. Tori mai lo se ha mo ki tonga pa fo. Nam ka tau fia ya. Pagu tui. E whakaunga te le ai ako ko ia I ngau whakau. Ko whiawhia hoki o wakea te ngai kaunga ngau e te ngai mohui o ngau hen. Kau ia me whawhiwhia ko tau sio. Ki he ola o e tau ngau whakawhai ako nai whai. Nai e hoki ki fwoi taimi mahau ke tau e me ua me iai. Nai whai fu wala o lahi se amane e kau. E kau toke tā pe mo kau ngā ue marunga. They were all complaining that the teachers are paid much higher than the doctors and the accountants and so on. But the Chancellor of Germany at that time was a woman, Merkel, and Angela Merkel. She said to these people who were complaining, look, it's okay for the teachers to have high salaries. Because they were the ones who taught you. Where Fayako, Mofana Wako, Yatoki, Lava de Lady Bayako. Kako Fifi upon it, I'll see you go Fayako, and Maka, when I protect in our way of now in. Before I finish, I want to share with you my Bible verse for this morning, for today. Don't look surprised and say, I always read. I also read Bible. And I have a Bible verse every day. So I want to share my verse for today with you. And it reads like this. Convencio tome tohe orazione, my father stahiva. 1 John chapter 4 verse 19. And it so reads, we love him because he first loved us. We love him because he first loved us. And the person who wrote this on the little calendar that I'm using has this text to come with the verse. And I want you to listen carefully, but this applies to you. God's love is flowing towards each one of us as a deep, wide, beautiful, and never-ending river. It is up to us to jump in. God's love is also unconditional. It is not based upon what we do, what we have, or what we achieve. His love is given to us because of who we are, His creation. It is not grounded on any other premise or motivation. You can't earn unconditional love. God says you are worthy of His love solely because it is His desire to love you. There is nothing you can do to win more of God's love. Now, a little word of wisdom before I finally go and sit down. It's like this. From success, you get lots of things, but not the great inside thing that love brings you. O kuhanga e ho lava mea o mai anga mea lai a kuta pitu kia God. Ka o wikai e leo mai e ai mea koe o oat e ofa. Ai koe whekau e tau ofa. Hape ta mea koe tau ofa. E hanga e tau ofa o whakfoki mai ai ofa. Pa kune o mai ai mea o wikai e lava e hamea e mamano o mai. Even our success. And in your success as a doctor, it will bring you many things, but not the thing that love will bring. Koyai, eko palpe, tauto kato, mau inga, ai mea, koe ofa. Unconditional love. Ofa ia kakoe pal, ofa ki hongo matua, eti o kei kaka beu whare ki kalangu i ko ofa ya flase mo ko pe ki fa fe kau pe mo ki ko rismu kon ko de la mo tuleki ofa ya kamaro
Alo, wakati na malo lahi ki he kafofonga falarea to atapua Dr. Awila Mwelang Pingfasi he koloa ko keto mo ki mautolo he fiasko ini Manatu mega tiki tau tolu, kolonga ngata koe ofa. Tawa mai ki he whaasinga tau polo kalamba, pia kokore ki a palu, pulasi te moenga, ki ne lava mai o whahokwa ta ene ki te whamalo. I may now call upon palu pulasi te moenga to deliver her word of thanks. Malo.
Malar makan amali. Kau itu pangat patah kau senang pagi. Kaya ada je ifai hati dia famalo. Tomo tu famalo ke namai evani. Ede ofa motai yang tu tahu hausian yang dia fi ofa goen. Dengan apa dia fatonga ke peko ke dia Filipania. Tuhi ke kau kafe memori. Kiko famalo pe ke PPK sia sia na tagay na longo PPK o sia apa moan pe ko ke office ko lo se dota malo mola ma ke ki por kala malo tu mo fa te tai ya pini to the DFED Australian Awards team to the second secretary advice consul Ella Scott the scholarship officer Asivanisi, Ridney Ligiafu and team. My family and I want to express our deep gratitude for funding this 6-year course. Thank you for supporting us scholars and granting this scholarship. And it's even throughout this pandemic that happened in Fiji. So when I signed the scholarship contract, it started from January 2016 and ended in December 2021. However, because COVID pandemic had hit Fiji, we were unable to return. And your scholarship was so kind to extend our scholarship till March. And even though our students, we were worried that our scholarship contract had ended, our student visa had ended, your scholarship continued to contact and pay for extensions and such. And even when the tsunami had hit Tonga in the beginning of the year, the scholarship also contacted us and offered counseling services. So my family wants to convey how we are deeply grateful for the scholarship that I was a part of. So thank you very much to the Australian government and to the DFED team. When returning to Tonga, I started my internship in a surgical ward. And if I had to choose any other ward to start with, I would choose this ward. Because with this ward, I have learned the most. So to the surgical ward team, Lord Vinamsani, Dr. Lami Ahalele, Dr. Devita de Mafasi, Dr. Salis Akaola, Dr. Isleri de Pulotu. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for your patience and for teaching me not only about managing patients, but also words of wisdom about life and the choices that we make and the challenges we'll face as a doctor. I know you've shown me a lot of patience, and with that patience, I can tell that you all are very good fathers and father-to-be. To Dr. Semis Ahalele, this is the first intern that I worked with when I started working in Viola Hospital. And he helped me the most, especially since I was new and I didn't really know a lot. And thank you, Dr. James Ahalele, for your patience and for bearing with me with all my questions every day and teaching and reteaching me things. To Dr. Captain Semislatu, I know you're on call today, but thank you for making it out tonight. I hope that you've eaten, you got your energy to finish your job. To my fellow graduates, Dr. Analisa Latu, Dr. Candiola Taufa, and Dr. John Akaola. Even though we're halfway through the year, I just want to congratulate you all again. Whamalo peke pule ako malolo tonga hai manu Akaola, peko ke pule ako malo tonga Tonga College Adele, Alekton Latu, malo mo whawhainga mai whinga ako. Whamalo ka efecto, peko me ka pai ako, Rosana Latu, Enes Matule, Olivetito, o Stephanie Atu. Malo mo lawa mai. Ili, thank you for that message today. You're explaining it, I look out and I'm looking at my grandma Lase, and I can remember all the times when I was small and she used to make me do. But thank you for these words of wisdom, and I will always cherish it. From Malo Maki, ke ulumotoe family, Ismante Mohenga, ko te ongo ilang lang iya e poni, e whakahiki ki tanga te lawa monuai. Ofa ki whaika, pina koe e ki ka teko ko family. To my paternal grandparents, sa makopo mo Bulasi te Mohenga, malo e ofa mo loto. Kai mine o Bulasi nge loto Bulasi lahi ke upo mo mali at kai saipe e lase tamo po obe. To my late maternal grandparents, Sioneta Lomu and Ionita Lomu, we miss you and are thinking about you today. To my little sister and my biggest cheerleader, who I really wish she was here today, is currently in Fiji study. I know that she will return very soon and thank me for sending all my overtime to her. I'm so grateful that I spent the last 2 years in Fiji with her and never felt alone, even though half the time we were fighting, but it felt like home back in Fiji with her there. Ofalahet Nesisi. To my paternal family, Uncle Vigiani and family in Adelaide, Bila and family in Palmerston North, Anna and family in Auckland, Auntie Carla and family in San Francisco, and Auntie Jennifer in Auckland. Thank you for supporting our family goals, and really wish we could have a reunion soon when borders open. Thank you to all my cousins. Also want to thank Anato Nukawa, representing the cousins from the Nukawa side. My apologies that not everyone is present here today, but after party. To my maternal family, Uncle Tini, my Auntie Nessie and Uncle Celie in Utah, and the rest of the long family that is here today. Thank you for all the love and prayers. Nessie, I know you don't have much time, and I hope that we will be able to see each other one more time. But I hope you're watching this, and I hope you know how much our family appreciates you and everything for us. Nessie. To Elena Malolo and family, thank you for sharing everything with us. These are our neighbors when we were growing up, and since we were small, they always babysit us. And today I want to thank you for everything done for us. Senate Bang and family, thank you for being part of our family and supporting us. To Dr. Pingi Fasi and Nola Fasi, Malo Olava Mai, thank you, Pingi, for your great wisdom as well. To Sinalari Mahe Meneseni Umhewa, thank you for the beautiful friendship and the support and the laughter that we share whenever we're together. To our MC, Venice de Muhen, Dilili, Maloi for la. Last but not the least, I also want to thank my partner, Dr. Shelton Hazelman. I'm blessed that we have crossed paths together, and I hope you get to come to Tonga soon. Last but not the least, I want to thank my parents. I know Eddie specifically told me not to thank him, but he played a big part, and I wouldn't be here without you both. So thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Neil, for always being there for us through everything. I also want to thank Neil's friends, Kalo Malolo, Makao Tuihua, and Venice Delini. Thank you for organizing tonight. I hope you all are having a great night. Ofalahiyatu family and friends here and overseas watching. Ofalahiyatu.
Balo lea fa gloria. Tau amai ke fasesinga tau programa te beta ile taha. Ko tu ibe ko kakate fa malo no watu e palo. Ko ko ibe ke hau de be ki fa malo ko ni fa fonga e family. Ko ki le ko ni fa ho ka tu e ulumo tua ismanu te moinga. I know Paro mentioned her word of thanks. Don't worry, Paro. I won't get tired of being your MC. Dr. Abema feito beto que veio,
Tulo be moe afio e tolka yo tua. Tapatu olase ol de mo. Ege te skol. Amasi osituat skol bi lolongo. Tapatu ke kau ngau e pon ka whai ako amat magbayola ni whafonga whalarea tapatu hopo amahulas koe ki u amarak te ute whalolo e pon oi koe lea ku omi e utoni a family, whakato e whiawhin, ola o molu mo kāpua, ki whakato e whatongia koe a e pōn. Ange koe ko lapeke e masi, o tui pe ka ko whamu. Wa o lirei atu e ngai whamalo, ko whai atu e ulase, al te moe ngai pōn. Ngai tau ki ni. Atu e munga ko e whangamari en ke whawhewhia, ke whawhongai atua e family. alo to ho ma bon mai lo le ke te au o ma o ngata nga o me au ma malava e ba hui ka e bon e fia i bo pe au fo ke fa fe kau le fa se no e poli le o ba ki o hiki be mo e ki na ma ka to ama e o kole ke fa fe kau to ka ma ya eti e kuno fo pe he pata tulu tulu e fa le lotu kau te ki ha no fa to ngia e siasi ala ko na eti ko no fa o ba te au ai poli ke le ta mai ko o si fa lotu pe go malanga malo fa fe kau ko fonga ka ta o fia eti he te la ko fika pa kai ap na fa te hu mo be ke o le tali liwa tu to le fe kau o po no ko fa ngai tu motor ai be ko e dia ko mo be ai na ma tu tu po ke mo ho ko so tu po ya be ko be ko pe ai ko lotu malo si mo mai ka to maha o ako e ki family ko ni o pon o fa malo la ya ska va forma mo o pescasi pescaderia ska fa ya o toni ki pau hiki ko pon o fa malo at fa de family te fiala tu ke o ko ma pa fike le fa ga ko ma to no o ma o fa e bona ki mo to ko mo me mai ki fa la ngi ki hui ko le ka ke la ba ya ha mea ma tu nga be he nga o fa yo tua ko no tare ni ti ko atu pa ki au si e poto nga we e poto ko ya ke to yo hi ngoa ke to yo mo wi ko mo i ka mata ko ai ko la fa ma lo be fa ya ka ke la ma ri ma no ni tu be fa ka ko ti fa ga fa to ya ko tu fa
Kimo ba pelota pertuga ta fe kau o ku ki fa manata pe ko e pa o ku wa pe. I know some high school students would love to stay behind. Ki fa la mari da po kala ma he fa the place is open until 10 o'clock. If you guys want to stay behind, the bar is open. It's free. Termini ko fa cafe na fe kau ya si fa moala ni kata tu mea mai o fa os e na ki programa o e ya fini malo
Famalo la hiatu ko wi ko e falan langi ko e ofa ko fai o tua ma e kaunangan la ko fa monia o e fa fia ka tongani wi ane de ko fola na blawa ni nai ina ofa be o tua la de foi ki mai hano alo to peta to na ia o ku lelei tapa ko to pe ki fonua me family ka me no fuma o a classe de movi to na ia na tala loto ki ai ai fatomia ois le son ko di o ane ko himi tonga di manga tong fluma di ma ko e ofa holu si ofa eki mamao i aka mai ko tope a feima ho loto ke tatai a laulahi ko mao lunga mo lo loto ai ofa do me fatongia ngao ia ta obligini o fai neongo ko ha atu uma te tau fononga ai ka mawinga o bito ke tau tatae ai ofa o toa e whakafonu ki tau tolu ake ngai tāpua ki. Tau hiwa mo he himi roi ni, vesi ono wa, koe ofa holu sio ofa eki, ko hai ha taha tene wha au. Kau he tala no konga sii, ofa ne komi e hia ko au, ofa afu.
Koe ofa hulu sio ofa eki, ko hai
Whatongia ngā kotoa pēr mau whetaki ni mai, wharangilangi me honi. Me kai pōri peonga ha mea. Ai mea whanonga ai e mau pirikimi tai mi ke mau mamata ki e ofa. Nai whai e hea whiona, whaaki mai ho alo tof pētaha. Koia kotoa pēr tui vi tai e te ia ki aua nā auha. Ai mahu ai mo ui, e au sia ai mo ui tai ngata. Kolo afu ngani maolunga ia e toa. Ke oa nā pōri peunga me he loto whare o ku tau angai a palu te mohenga. Kua me mao hono langi mo e pare o e ofa ai a whiona. Ka wai pulu maa whana ia whalangi a honi. Wiheni ai ene omo kui o wiheni ai ai whanomia ai kau whai whikau umaa ai kau se toaka wiheni ai whawhawhanga wharearea umaa ai ofisa kolo umaa ai ngahi whamiri me kau whai ako me kau pure ako e whamoone o tua mautui ka whalangi ia me whatomia na teu ki ai andeo kau maa e ti ke whamooni koe ne whanau tama, nana ohi, ki he manu ho mahu mawhi, ke whamaoni, koe ofae, o ku kamuloto ai, e ne whi ngāko. Tā ere mai a lau maari e, ta take ngāo ko tō pē, whai ai, ai mau whono ngā. Ka tū peke langi ai, ai ofa a whiona, ke whamaoni atu, ke whakao sena, e te ohi a honi, ke langi ai pē, o mafi. Tā ere mai lau maari e, pere atu hōri tā. Whai me langa nau whakakoroa. E whakapulupulu a kia, e ho kauna ngani. Ko ne koroa ia he ofa ho a whio. I whatongia, mo e ako, na e whaki ho a whio. Gresia e ki mai ofa e o tua me whio e lau maari e maa joni. Ia te mau tōko tō pēa o na hiki. Ai whai pio tai ngata. Amen.
Malo apito ko o se dami po kalama kapau pe wata se faita wata se faita mo pula se wata
Thank you.